In this video, I will show you how to consolidate data in Excel that has multiple duplicates. So guys, if you want to merge data in Microsoft Excel in same file, we have this example. Someone borrow some money from these different persons like Sophia. This list two times. They borrow one time 764 and second time 7677. Jackson and Noah. So three times and there is the number. So guys, if you want to make if you want to merge this data, so easy and simple way, firstly open in a new worksheet. Now here click on this data tab and here we have to find out this consolidate option. Summarize data from separate range, consolidate the results in a single output range. For example, if you have a worksheet of expense figures for each of your regional offers, you might use a consolidate to roll up. So click on this consolidate. Here guys, you have to select function sum and there are also some more options. So in our case, just select sum. Now click on reference. Now select your worksheet where you have the data. Select and press enter. Now click on add. Select top row and also select left column. Also you can create links to source data. Then click on OK. So here you can figure out particular person and the number of amount which you borrow before. So this is the example guys. You can merge uh, data similarly for your use. Just you type your data in one worksheet and then use the consolidate. So thanks for watching and comment. This method work for you.